Howdy, I'm Travis, German Bliss Equipment. We got a really cool piece of machinery right here. We got this Kubota RTV-X1100C. C is for cool, I'm pretty sure. Actually, I think it might be camo. But it's a diesel machine. Got a winch on the front, looks like a 4,000-pound winch. It is got your cab, it's got your AC, it's got your radio. Everything's functional, everything works. It's got a dump bed. It's got this cage on the back, so when you're tossing stuff up there all willy-nilly and reckless, you don't wreck that nice rear windshield you got there, protect you from the elements. It's got rear mounted floodlight, it's got front mounted floodlights, and it's got it's got a real nice quiet sound. It's got a low takeoff for the clutch, so I think you're taking off, you know what, don't catch me lying, I don't know what RPM you're taking off at, but it's going to be a little bit lower than your average gas UTV. And we've got her here on the lot. She's a pretty good machine. These things don't stick around long new, and they certainly don't stick around long used, because they are they're priced right. So we'll walk inside real fast here. Well, not walk, I'm small, but I'm not that small. But you know, again, here's the interior. Everything works, everything's functional. It's a great machine. It'll do about whatever you ask it to do. I'm Travis, German Bliss Equipment. That there's the RTV-X1100C. C stands for cool. Come get it.